Okay, so you're gonna start off in a straddle grip, and you're gonna break a small packet with your left thumb over here, and then you're gonna use your right hand. You're gonna basically push this packet forward, and you're gonna hold this packet, the front packet, in a straddle grip. You're gonna hinge this packet forward over here, creating a hinge, and you're gonna break the front packet with your pinky, like so. Okay, and then you're gonna pivot this packet, the center packet, about your right index and pinky, like so, and you're gonna square up the center packet by using your thumb here and your thumb over here. So your right and left thumb are gonna help square up these packets. What you're gonna do now is a small subtlety is this will really help, is pushing your right index against your left pinky tightly, so the center packet is fixed. So you can now slide these cards, a single card from here, by placing your thumb here and your left thumb here and your right thumb here, sliding a single card. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do is slide a single card, and then with your other hand you're going to slide another card. So basically this will look like from the front, like a display like this. What you're going to do now is you're going to pull these cards now back. Okay, the top card is going to go like this, behind the right index, and this one behind your left pinky, and then you're going to push forward again. So this card will now pivot about your right index, and this card will now pivot about your left pinky, like so. Now again, this is the display. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to slide these cards, the top card that's with your left thumb, you're gonna push it towards your left pinky, like so. Okay, and what you're gonna do with the other card is with your right thumb is you're gonna slide it towards your right index, and you're gonna align the 3 packets like so, straight, for the display. And the closer is pretty self-explanatory. What you're basically going to do is just close like so, and that's it.